What's going on, team? Today is the 7th Tuesday. Looking at the overall economical calendar, you guys can see the market was pretty much flat yesterday. We'll talk about that in a moment. But today is the day Jerome Powell speaks at 12:40. Fed Vice Chair Michael Burr speaks at 2 p.m. And that's pretty much it for today. But everybody's waiting for that 12:40 Fed Powell speech. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. Tomorrow we have Fed President John Williams speaking. We have Fed Lisa speaking, Fed Michael Burr speaking, Fed Neil speaking. A lot of Fed speakers speaking tomorrow. I'm not going to name them all, but make sure you guys watch out for Wednesday as well. A lot of Fed speakers speak before 1:45 p.m. Eastern. Thursday, jobless numbers. And then on Friday, we have inflation numbers coming out. So make sure you guys keep in mind the overall economical calendar and how this can overall affect your trade. We're going to keep the short watch list short today, looking at two stocks, especially after yesterday. Yesterday, if we look at most of these stocks, it was pretty much a chop zone, right? They said kangaroo market. We're looking at the 15-minute, but yesterday was the 6. You can see that this was yesterday's action, pretty much sideways action. We're basically trapped between a range. Tesla needs to break at least 200. You can see 200 is the high over here. Not only even on the 20-day as well too. So you see this is the 20-day high. So we need to break that 200 zone before we can start pushing up. The problem with Tesla, MACD is trading flat. So it could go up, it could go down. So we need clear confirmation of opening on the MACD on that one. And the 180-day MACD right now is actually crossed down and we're still bullish. So in order for us to get bearish, we need to break that 193. Then we can start going to 189 and possibly even to 183. For us to get long, we would need it to break that 200 MACD cross up. And then we could start going from 200 to these 210 zones over here, which was a previous resistance. So definitely want to watch out to see what happens. RSI is extremely overbought, so she's just basically pushing overbought, going sideways. So we got to see and wait for a good confirmation of that break of 200 if she does want to go that way. So make sure you guys keep an eye on that on Tesla. Next stock we're going to talk about is SPY. SPY basically on the 180-day MACD is crossed down, trading below the EMA. All of this can change, especially with Powell speaking today. But watch for a break above 411 that we could start retesting 415 on the way down. Want to watch for a break of 408, and then we could start getting down towards 406, which is the 1-year EMA over here. Actually, the 1-year EMA has moved, so always make sure you guys double check stuff. 1-year EMA has moved, so that drop is a lot smaller. So it's 408 down towards 407. May not even be worth it, right? Because it could possibly even bounce off this level over here. But you may want to watch for a break below 407, and then we could basically start going to 405. So watch out for that. The EMA is a lot closer, and you guys know that this EMA, that 1 year, can act as support. We've been basically trading above it for a long time, ever since January 6th, January 5th, right? We've been basically trading above it. Did slightly break it once, but all in all, we've been basically trading above it. So see what happens. We could possibly bounce off this zone, make another high, or break below it, and then we start our bearish trend down towards those 392 levels. So two possibilities. Let's see how Powell wants to deal with things today. Overall, 180 days cross down, 20-day is trying to cross down. So let's see what happens. Overall, we already spoke about our levels. What do you guys think? Leave a like and comment below. Do you guys think Powell is going to be bullish? You guys think he's going to be a little bit bearish? The bonds and the dollar are separating, meaning that what he spoke about before is not really too valid. So let's see what happens, how he's going to basically come up with some type of stuff to tell us to say, hey, why not everything is coinciding with what he's saying. So let's see what happens. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys all have a great trading day. Use a stop loss, cut losses quickly, and make sure You guys all have a green day and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.